So hey guys, today I'm on Minecraft and it's me, Princess Bubblegum. I'm gonna show you guys how to play. How to get how to dye armor. So all I gotta do is go to, and if you want to do this, you want to press cheats on. Okay, and go to peaceful and okay. So just go with that. That's all I gotta go to. Kill me. Do you kill me? So just go to there. And there you at. I know I should have picked another world, but I'm not gonna keep this world. So if you press cheats, go to there and you can go to creator. Okay. Now all you wanna do is find somewhere flat. This is gonna be over here for us. Sorry if I'm smacking. So all I do is go here and get some of these things. Next, get your armor, and I'm gonna get the leather armor, this armor, and this one. And I'm gonna also try this one. So now you get your dye. You dye. Okay, we're gonna get this one, and you also gonna need water. Okay, put water in these. Dye you any color you wrong color. Any color you want. And then all you gotta do that color not gonna work. So all I gotta do is there you go, you dye them. There you go. Have on you. Well, there's a thing. I'm gonna start for doing that with. So here it is. How you dyed it. How you dye your. So you dyed it, and that's all you have to do to get your color armor. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and bye.